Okay, camera's rolling.
Blue coats? Who are they?
They're the generals from the north. They're the blue coats.
Did I get you?
Teeny bit.
Really? Well, this is good, clean snow.
Andrew, did you start recording?
I tried snowboarding once, and it took me till the very end of the day to realize.
Should I click it for you?
Riding goofy the whole time. I was trying to go regular, and it sucked.
Yeah, it's recording.
Last hour I figured it out.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Ah! Ah! 3, 2, 1, boom.
Yeah,
So it is a miserable day here at the Killington Resort. Look at the great scenery. Oh wait, you can't.
Let's do another one.
Whee! And look at that, and look at all that. Yeah. Although I have to say, my first impression of the snow is not bad.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree.
All right.
Shall we?
Yes, we shall.
Very well. Very well then.
Very well.
Very well, very well, very well.
Ah!
Whoa.
Yeah, I spoke too soon. It's a little slushy. Although it's not as heavy as yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like some of it melting off made it better.
Uh-huh.
Oh. And now my head
Maybe
itches.
the water just packed the snow in.
Yeah. You can't see. You
Can't
can't.
see.
I can't. I can't. Okay.
Very well then. Oh, careful, snowboarder. One flanker. No
Unsteady
control.
one flanker. Ah, yes, the same unsteady one flanker who fell getting off the chairlift, which is fine, but it doesn't seem like he has someone here to teach him at all.
Oh, he has a skier friend.
Oh yeah, he does.
Yeah, okay, but has
He seems-
skier friend ever snowboarded?
Who
Yeah,
knows?
let's go to the right. I think that's a good sentiment.
Very well then, very well then. Ew! Do you stick your pole out before you start turning or as you start turning?
I don't know. I'll have to see.
Alright, do it and then tell me.
I guess I'd do it before.
Yeah. That's
I
what
mean,
thought.
I'm not the best person to imitate if you're looking to have good pull form. Because like I said, my pull form is bad and I'm just unwilling to fix it.
Uh-huh.
What? Pull. No, my pull form is immaculate. It's... No.
I don't know if you're talking about
So you're just gonna ride with your goggles off?
Maybe. We're gonna see how well it works.
Okay. I was gonna say I might do a bit of that, but
Nope, doesn't work.
That'll hinder the footage.
it doesn't work?
Nope.
Why not?
Well, it's just the wind gets in my eyes and I don't like it. So we're gonna get a few lovely shots of my goggles being Put
Just
in front
crossing
of my
over the
GoPro.
screen, yeah.
Woo!
Two lovely shots.
Oh, I hate being in the rain.
Shall we?
Very well done.
You know what I should have done?
What?
Got like some liquid soap
Uh-huh.
and just sort of rubbed it on my...
Yeah, yeah. I mean, there's soap in the... no, that's probably
Well, I guess
disgusting.
that's more of an anti-fog remedy, though, than an anti-water. Just wax your goggles, you know?
And then what happens if you get soap suds in your goggles?
What do you mean, in?
It's because there's 2 layers, right, for your goggles? That's why the
don't
inside
know.
of goggles can fog up. That's why you gotta like keep it uncovered for a couple hours after you ski so that it evaporates.
I've not heard that one, but maybe you're right. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get lower on my left turns now because you guys said that I don't bend as much. It's interesting.
I feel like I almost ski with more confidence when I can't see.
You know, I was thinking that too.
What?
I was thinking that too. I was just more focused on like my
Well, if I can't see it, I'm not going to be afraid of hitting it.
Yeah.
That's
Actually,
a horrible
yeah.
mentality.
No,
What is wrong with you
No,
two?
because if my goggles are off, then I look at every little divot in the snow and I'm like, oh, maybe I want to avoid that, and then I focus on avoiding it rather than my form.
Yeah, then I look down.
All right, well,
It's surprising. I don't know.
ski aggressive, you
But
can
I
cut
do
through
ski
stuff.
Slowly though, I do ski slower.
Yeah, yeah.
That is true. It's like I can't ski slow.
Snowmobile.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
What?
I saved it. All right. I just see you trying to be Andrew.
Yeah, it was funny. I feel like I really did ski differently there. Because I can't ski there.
Okay.
I don't know if you saw any difference. I don't think you really saw it much.
I have to pay more attention now.
No, it's okay. It's hard to see.
Did you get any of me doing that?
What?
Did you get any of me doing that?
I don't know, man. It's low visibility. I can't really tell where you are.
And your cameras are pretty wet.
That too, yeah.